Okay, hi. I got my copy of Pro 2019 open, and I just created a simple box and put some bar stools in there. Okay. I'm gonna go control tab back to plan view. I'm just gonna draw a polyline over those stools. We'll bring in the edge of that, and I'm going to convert that polyline to a countertop. Okay, and there you have it. Now, I realize if you're using cabinets and extending the countertop, there's a slight bit of fill in the cabinets, like in this image here. Let me try that. Just delete that, and I'll go over here to Cabinet Tools and Custom Countertop. We'll draw a countertop along over the edge. Yeah, okay, it's got that slight fill in it now. Now, in my case, they're showing behind the countertop. I don't know. Maybe you must have placed the stools after you created the countertop. Let's try that. Go over here to the browser. I'm going to grab a stool and stick it in there after the fact. Yeah, see, they come out on top. So had you had the stools in place before you did the countertop, you wouldn't have the problem, but placing them after creates a problem. So I'm going to click on this countertop, and the edit toolbar, you can bring it up here so as to make it a little bit more prominent. And it does say edit on it when you undock it. I'm going to go over here to this icon right here. It says View, Draw, Order, Edit Tools. That's what Eric was talking about. I'm going to left click on that, and then you get this submenu. And this one says Send to Back, Send Backward, Select Drawing Group. That's what Eric was specifically talking about. Now this one's Bring Forward. Let's bring it forward. I'm going to left click on that and then deselect. Okay, that didn't handle it, so let's try that again. And this time I'm going to bring it. Well, let's just go over here to select Drawing Group. And see, this is the drawing group. Look at it goes from front to back. Let's just try front. See, now the stools are showing in plan view below the polyline or the custom countertop. Let's go over here to the camera. See, and I just didn't bother to put in the cabinets like you did, but it's the same sort of thing. So there is control built into the software. You just have to kind of know where it is, and it's here. And then you get these submenus. See, what does that one do? Main edit mode. I don't even know what that means. I could click on it and find out, but that's not what this tutorial is about. The tutorial was to point out where these tools are, and this is how you find out how they work. You click on one. Let's see, what does that one say? Send it back. Okay, send it back. If I keep clicking on it, well, eventually, see, all the stools are now in the front. Then we'll go over here and find that icon again. Yeah, let's just go to Drawing Group, and then you can skip all of that. And see, that changed it to back. I'm going to change it, and I'm changing the drawing order of the custom countertop, and I think that's the most straightforward way to go. See, now they're in the back, and it's obviously that they're back. So this is something that, if you had placed the stools, then the software would have gotten it quote unquote right. But after the fact, then you have to step in and you have to do something. Okay? Thanks for watching.